What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Billshowto. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and install a new toilet seat. We've got here a soft close toilet seat that I'm about to show you guys how to install. A couple of reasons why you might want to replace your toilet seat. It might be faded or stained, or it might be broken, or in my case it might look something like this. So this is the old toilet seat that we'll be replacing, guys. The only tools you'll need: a pair of gloves, plastic bag, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So first things first, we'll put on our gloves before we touch this toilet seat. So a couple of things before you get started. There's the size of the toilet seat. This one here is a standard size that will fit on the toilet seat that I've got here. The other thing, which is the most important, is whether or not it's a top or bottom fixing. And I'll show you guys in a second what I mean by that. However, this one here that I've picked allows for both top and bottom fixing, and it's got the fixtures included for both. Let's do this. So the easiest way to know if this is a top or bottom fixed toilet, simply put your hand underneath where the nut goes. So if you can feel that nut underneath, there's a little wing nut under there. If you can get access to it, then that means that you can fix this from the bottom of the toilet. And I'll show you guys in a second what that looks like. However, if this is a fully enclosed toilet and you can't get your hand underneath to get access to that nut, that means it's a top fixed toilet. So it's very important to know the two differences, and I'll show you guys the differences now. So just following down from there, if we have a look underneath here, you can see that I can see the threads over here, and right up the top is that little nut that I'm talking about. So if you've got access to this section here, that means that is a bottom fixing toilet seat. If you don't have access to it, that means you'll need to attach it from the top, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So to remove a toilet seat that's bottom fixed, you simply put your hands underneath and undo that nut that's on the bottom. Once that's off, that's all it looks like, just a little nut right there, and then that section's ready to come out. So do the same on the other side, and then once that's off, the whole thing will come undone. Now we can finally open up our new one. So it's got two separate fixings on here. This one here is for the top fixing, this one here is for the bottom fixing. So the same as we just removed with the nut and bolt. So I'll show you guys what the top fixing looks like. So this one here is a top fixing. So basically it's a screw and a plug. Once you put that plug inside the hole and tighten that screw, it starts to expand and it'll automatically bite and hold into place. So if you did have a top fixing, all you'd have to do is simply plug that in, just like that, and then you'd screw up the top and the top will automatically expand and it'll bite on and hold in position. However, in our case, we're using bottom fixing. You just simply line up those holes, drop that into place, do the same on the other side. Now once we've done that, you simply get your washer, and then you've got your nut on the bottom, and you want to thread that back through the bottom. So we can see here the bolts hanging down, that's the threads. All you want to do is simply put your washer nut straight over the top until it bites, and then just wind that all the way back up. Once again, same on the other side. Once you've got that all tightened up, you've got little caps to put on top, and they simply pop into place just like that. There you have it, guys, brand new toilet seat installed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's anything else you want to learn how to do in or around your house, put it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to show you guys how to do it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.